Hi, this is Ishan Manchanda. I'm one of the founders of GrowthSpree. Today, I'm going to help you set up your LinkedIn ads MCP on Claude in just about 5 minutes. So obviously, you've done this step. You've put in your email ID on the landing page and you've been redirected to this particular page, which has all the steps. I'm going to make it easier for you to do this. First is just check your email. You would have gotten a link to log in with a username and password. The username generally would be the email ID that we've put in. Um, you would reach to this particular page, mcp.zipline.com, put in your email ID and password, which you have in the email itself. Click on login. Once you do that, you won't see all of this because you wouldn't have integrated it. You would be signing in for the first time. You would find integrations. Once you click that, make sure that you connect your LinkedIn ads, which is the campaign manager. Just click on it. It will redirect, ask you to put your email ID, which is for LinkedIn ads, and it'll be connected. You can also connect HubSpot, and even like if you want to connect Google Ads, Search Console, Meta Ads, and Google Analytics, you can do that as well in this LinkedIn Ads MCP, and you'll be able to get full funnel view, cross channel impact, etc., etc. But right now, with the focus on LinkedIn Ads MCP, you can connect LinkedIn Ads as well as HubSpot just to get the full funnel view. You can also do it without connecting HubSpot. So once you've done that, you can back to this page. So you've logged in, you've integrated with the MCP. Next, you download this .mcpb file. Just click on this link and it will start downloading, right? Very simply, just click on download. It will be downloaded. Then next, what you have to do is you have to download Claude Desktop. I already have Claude Desktop. If you don't have it, you can click here, download for Mac or Windows, sign up. And once you've done that, that is when you move to the next step. You will come to Claude. Once you've signed up, go to settings. On settings, you will find this screen. Go to extensions. Click on advanced settings, click on install extension, and just upload your MCPB file right here. Click on preview. It will, dialog box will for configuration will pop up right here, just like this. Click on configure. Once you click on configure, you can just go back right here, user token. Just go back to the same integrations, the zipline page. This is your API token. You simply copy it and you paste it right here and save it. Make sure this is enabled. Once you're done with that, you can just simply, once you do that, you can just simply go to new chat and make sure that under connectors, you have the GrowthSpree Google Ads MCP enabled. And then you can start asking,